you guys are doing fantastic because all my fans, all my subscribers, you guys are fabulous. I hope you're having a blessed day, okay? Because me and my family, we are also blessed. Thank you and welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, I want to say thank you for being part of this awesome, amazing, growing family. So today, I've been doing the keto diet. Today, I just want to make some regular home salad, okay? So I have some few ingredients here which I'm going to walk you through, and as you can see, there are no carbs, or I would say low carbs. Yes, so the keto diet is low or no carbs, and I'm trying to, if I have to do carbs, I'm trying to do low carbs. My thing is I don't want to do carbs at all. I just want to stick to, yeah. No carbs. Yeah, I just want to stick to like veggies, just veggies, and it's been working out great. And make sure you are drinking a lot of water too. Okay, so let's get into the video. So I have some kale here, okay, which I'm going to chop up, okay, and I have some spinach here as well. I have half a cucumber here, okay. I have some culantro, which is another form of cilantro. I got this from my mother-in-law's garden. I have one avocado here. I have one medium-sized tomatoes. I have a little bit of onion here, not too, because I don't want too much of it because onion can be strong. I have some lemon that I'm going to juice and then use the juice of the lemon in my salad. I have some olive oil which I'm going to use as a dressing for my salad, okay? And over here I have my fish. I have salmon. I have salmon here with some dressing on there. What I mixed, I had butter with some chopped up dill, okay, mixed with some zest, the zesty chili lime here that Steven got me when he traveled. So I decided to use that. So I just mixed that with I think 4 tablespoons of butter. I didn't use the whole thing, so as I grow the fish, I will try to finish it off. So yeah, the thing is to have like fats in your food, good fats in your food, so that you're burning the fat and not the carbohydrate that you eat, okay? So that's the whole idea. So let's get started. So I normally like try to roll this in my hand.
Don't cut your hand.
No, try to roll this with my serious knife, and I start to, and I move my fingers as I get closer, okay? And I don't ever cut myself, so I have amazing knife skills because I grew up in Ghana.
No cutting boards there, I guess.
When I was growing up, we didn't have a cutting board, and I believe when my grandmother was also growing up, they didn't have anything like a cutting board, so they used their hands a lot. So at this time, you can just relax and just walk your knife. Can you guys hear? You can hear the crunchiness of the kale.
It's a serious knife.
Yeah, I like this knife.
Tell them where you can get it.
You can. We leave the description in the we leave the info in the description box. These are some quality knives because how do you? Steven explains this better.
It's called full tang.
Okay, what does that mean?
It means the metal of the blade goes all the way through the handle.
Yeah. So you don't have one of those knives where, you know, when you put it to the knife is in water all the time, you see the handle begins to fall off. This one is not like that. It looks like it's just one simple how do I call it, tool, you know, everything is embedded together, or they get it from one, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, you get what I'm trying to explain.
Okay. It's forged.
Okay, yeah, forged. So yeah, that's what I was trying to say. So, and you have had this even since I met you. So you've had this probably for more than 10 years.
At least 10 years.
Yeah, so more than 10 years. So if you buy it, then you don't have to buy knives again. And trust me, if you love to cook, this is some really good knife to get. And then I'm going to work my way. Same idea, just roll it in your hand like a ball.
So this is kind of like a tabbouleh salad,
yeah,
where everything is chopped up.
Yeah.
I think that's good on the spinach.
On the spinach, yeah, I'm not going to. So I'm going to put the spinach first, and then I'll add the kale. I love kale.
Kale, yeah.
There we go. So now I'm gonna get my cucumber.
Bite size.
I want to get some bite size.
Smells good. Cucumber's got a lot of nutrients.
Oh yeah. Next I'm going to, I want my onion to be last. I'm going to slice the tomatoes now. You're like, can I come over for dinner? Yeah, sure. That's what I'm saying. Okay, onion, tomatoes, sorry. I didn't mean tomatoes now. Do I use the whole thing? It looks like a lot. I don't think I'm going to use.
It's a lot of salad. I like onion.
Okay. Well, we'll use the whole thing then. So next I'm chopping up some culantro, okay? And I told you it's a type of cilantro, okay? Normally if you've had pho before, full pho, the Vietnamese soup, they put culantro in the soup. So yeah, for this one, yeah, dice it up.
It's going directly in the salad, right?
Yeah. And this can go on top of after you've added everything. So next I'm going to add my avocado. I like guacamole so much that I tend to call even avocado guacamole.
Oh, so the avocado's going directly?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna mix it.
Oh yeah. After, yeah. No. Our dressing is going to be just a drizzle of olive oil on top.
And lemon.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm adding the lemon juice, okay?
And the mussels.
I think that's enough. Alright, so now I'm adding my culantro or cilantro, okay? You can use cilantro or parsley, but this always tastes better, and I like the smell of the culantro or cilantro with this salad. So now I'm going to add my olive oil, okay? Like I said, just a drizzle of olive oil, but not too much. There we go. Extra virgin olive oil, okay? That's what I use, and then you mix everything. Oh, this is divine. So I'm adding some salt on here. That's a generous amount, okay? And then
Just like at the restaurant.
this amount of black pepper. And there you go. You got your salad. Hey, you got your salad. Hey, you got your salad. You got your salad. I'm just going to transfer it into my
And the salmon's going to go on top?
Yeah, on the side. More like on the side once you scoop your food. So this is it right here. I think what I will do is I'll probably add a little bit more olive oil to it. But this is perfect, okay? And healthy. You eat, you get full without a gift, okay? So I believe 2 people can eat this or 3 people can eat this, okay? Or you can eat this in one setting, not me. So yeah, the fish is ready to grill, and we are going to grill it on the grill for a total of 10 minutes for each fish, okay? So yay, dinner is served, okay? So the fish is ready, okay? The grilled fish is ready. And my salad, as you can see, is looking so beautiful and delicious, ready to be digested, okay? So I'm going to set myself. I think we're going to finish all this today. Yeah, make enough serving that you can finish like in one day.
Yeah, leftover salad, no fun.
Yeah, it's not good and it's not fun. So yeah, and it's salad, so you can eat as much as you want. If you can eat the whole thing, fair enough. Then I'm going to get me this grilled fish. Okay. Okay. That place to cook.
In the meal.
Oh, you need that salt. This is delicious.
Delicious?
Delicious and healthy, guilt-free.
Is it delicious too?
So try this if you want to do this whole keto thing. I will put a link below where you can learn more about the keto diet. If you are trying to lose weight, lose a couple of pounds, a couple of kilograms in order to feel good and be healthy, by all means. So from my kitchen to yours until I come your way again with another delicious, healthy recipe. This is StellaZone, baby. Hit that subscribe button, okay? Have a blessed day and yeah.